Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then hi, welcome. My name is Meghna. So yeah, I just received my September Glamigo box and I couldn't be more excited. So this is gonna be a true unboxing because yeah, I'm literally tearing the package off in front of you guys. Oh wow, I love this month's box and the way it looks. How cute! A light green with cute little anchors printed on it. It is so cute. So first I get two pamphlets. One is typical, the list of all the products inside, and the other is don't hide it, let's fix it. Skin under eye starts aging at early 20s. September Glamigo box. Okay, so that's weird. That's the only thing written there. Probably you'll get like an under eye product with this. As usual, it's bubble wrapped nicely. And oh yeah, I can already see the product that I got to choose this month. First thing I get in my hand is looking very familiar. I just hope it's not the same. It's by M Caffeine or Mec Caffeine. It is this typical bottle. I think I've been getting it for 2 months straight. But the good thing is this is not a face wash. The other two I got were face wash. This is a shower gel with taurine and vitamin E. Looks quite cool. Smells exactly like the face wash, which is weird. So this retails for 189 rupees. I love shower gel, so this is a cool thing. Next is a soap which is by the brand BioBloom, and it is their bath care handmade soap. It has neem, aloe vera and basil. I actually still have the other BioBloom handmade soap which I received in I think last month or last month, I don't remember, Glamigo box. I still haven't used it, so yeah, this has to wait. I'm going to use that first and then use this. But this is quite cool because it doesn't have any added chemicals or parabens or such. It is handmade and quite organic from whatever the ingredients I can read. So I'm excited for this, but I'm already a bit like, because both of these brands, like this I have two face washes, and this I already have the same soap except in a different fragrance, but that's okay. The next one looks quite interesting. So this is the Neemly Under Eye Nourishing Serum. So this is what the entire pamphlet was about. It comes in this interesting bottle package. Let me just open and see. I think it must be a roll-on cap, and yep, it has a roll-on tip. I'm excited to use this because if one thing on my skin that just never goes away is my under eye circles. It's probably because of my sleeping habits. But yeah, I could use a good under eye serum. Let's put it to test on my skin. It smells really nice. This thankfully isn't oily, which I was scared because I do have the Vedart under eye oil which I received in my fab bag, I believe. And that is like an oil, so your under eyes might become oily like after you apply it. But this isn't like that, which is a great thing. So I'm actually going to switch from Vedart to this and see how this works. The under eye serum is for 650 rupees. Whoa. Last one is the product that I got to choose, and this is a nail paint exclusive for Glamigo, and brand is Bella Voste, if I'm pronouncing it right. It gives you 9 ml of product and it retails up to 349 rupees. I love this color. It's exactly the color I thought it would be. Packaging feels really premium, like it's not like those cheap nail polishes. It actually feels like a very premium nail polish. Try this. Ooh, I like it. I mean, I like the color. I will apply it on all my nails and share it with you guys on my Snapchat and Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. Okay, so with that we come to an end of this month's Glamigo box. Now, I'm not as happy as I was with the last month's or even the last to last month's box, probably because I received a very similar soap. Like, I literally have the other one still waiting to be used, and I already have two same looking bottles as face washes, though this is just a shower gel. Yeah, nothing to complain about because I haven't used those products. I do hope Glamigo comes up with different brands, like even if it's the same brand, maybe different packaging. So yeah, that's just something that I felt. But otherwise, I am happy with this month's box. I love Glamigo. I love what I've got. All the products are superb and really worth the money, guys. It's just 299 rupees, I believe. It's really worth the money. I would really suggest you guys get your hands on, if any box, then this box, because it's quite affordable, and if you don't like it, you can always go for another one. You are not losing any money. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Glamigo and it's just coming from my heart. I really do love Glamigo subscription box in general. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what was your favorite, what you got in your Glamigo box. Make sure you're following me on all my social media handles so you guys are updated with all the product reviews, hauls, etc that I do on my social media. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's quite simple. Press the subscribe button and press the bell notification, because that way you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, and sometimes even more. Thank you so much for all your support. It means a lot. I love you guys. Stay happy, positive and blessed. Bye.
You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are